tell, I'm freaking dirty. I'm nasty. I stink. It's been a really hard day today. I started off the morning. I went to Springfield and I picked up a new axle for my car. So I started off the day changing an axle. We threw the car on the dyno, and it didn't do bad. It's reliable. It runs and drives good. Didn't really make a whole lot of power because we started having issues with my map. We ran out of map sensor, and some things are going on. It was boost creeping a little bit. So I'm gonna have to figure out something with the wastegate. Positioning isn't right. It's just not getting enough flow to the wastegate. So we got a little bit of work to do, but overall I'm happy. But now that the car's here, I'd actually like to go over it with you and just tell you about what's inside the engine and what is to come later on. So here it is. This is an F20B with a QSD adapter plate running a GSR transmission with a Clutchmasters twin disc. It has Wiseco pistons and H-beam rods, and it's got Skunk 2 cam gears and Skunk 2 Pro 1 cams. It's got SuperTech valve springs and retainers. We deleted the balance shaft, and then we added a PLM top mount manifold, and then we added a GTX 3582R turbo and a Tile 44 wastegate. Dragonfire distributor, Grady blow-off valve, 3-inch intercooler piping, just a cheap old eBay intercooler, and a cheap old eBay radiator. I do have the 888Rs. They're a little bit smaller, but with the car being how it is, it kind of hooks okay. It's not on a whole lot of power. It did only make almost 300 horsepower. That is just kind of where we're at now. We ran into some issues, and I just wanted it to be kind of reliable for now, and I really wanted to just drive it, put miles on it. Being is that I just got it back today. I haven't seen this car in about 6 months, I would say, and that is a long time when you're just sitting around waiting. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some pieces of steel and we're going to cover this hole up and just make it look a lot cleaner, and then we're going to actually build tabs off the weight for the new weight plate off this right here, and then we're also going to do this side as well, and then I'm going to do something with this and change where that goes. So this is an extremely nice straight cut, but one pass with really crappy discs, and this is what happens. No bueno. There she is, square number 1. Okay, so we have this piece cut out, and so far it's looking pretty good. We got a clamp now. We're getting ready to weld it up, and then we're gonna throw some paint on it, and then we're gonna keep that side, leave it alone, and just cover that spot up with the license plate, and then throw this all back together and do some before and after pictures. So we got the plate all welded on and smoothed out, and I threw a coat of black paint over it so it didn't rust up. But it doesn't look the best, but it'll do for now. It looks better than it did before. So I'll put some before and after pictures in here so that you can tell what it looked like and how much better it looks. Okay, well, we ended it off, but just threw the headlight back on to kind of see what this looks like. Still gotta throw the intercooler back on, but I'm gonna save that till tomorrow. It's getting late, so we're gonna go inside, call it a night. We're gonna end it with our peanut butter and jelly sandwiches as always. Thanks for watching.